Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about how to save or how to move contacts from iPhone to iCloud on iPhone on iOS devices. So guys, this will help me if any contacts are accidentally deleted from my iPhone from any reason. It will be able to recover my contacts from the iCloud on iPhone on iOS devices. So for that, keep watching this video until the end. Here is guys, these all are my contacts on my iPhone. So now open setting application. Now click on Apple ID name, and here is simply tap on iCloud, and here is simply click on see all and scroll down, and here is interface contacts. Simply turn on. So when you turn on, your all the contacts move to iCloud account by this method. So guys, if any showing method is merge, so simply click on merge. So in my case not showing merge, so by this method you can move, you can transfer your iPhone contact you to your iCloud account. I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest updates.